Hey guys, this is number 27, 28, and 29 from your Hinge Theorem homework. First thing they're telling you is that your BC is congruent to AD, so they have this marked, which means this guy up here is also going to be x plus 5. AB and DC are the same, so this guy's going to be 26. And then I also know that I have parallel lines. Now, if they're telling me that I have parallel lines, that means that my alternate interior angles are going to be congruent. So those guys are going to be the same. And I know that these guys here are also going to be the same, alternate interior. So the first thing I want to do is find the possible values for x. I'm just going to look at one of my triangles here. I want to find the possible values of x, so I'm going to subtract and I'm going to add. Subtracting and adding to figure out my range. So 34 minus 26 is going to give me 8. That's less than x plus 5, which is less than 34 plus 26 gives me 60. And then when I subtract 5 from all three parts, I'm going to get 3 is less than x less than 55. So that's this part right here, my possible values. 3 is less than x less than 55. Then it's telling us, okay, well, what if I change this? And I said that CBD, so CBD, this angle up here is 45 degrees, which means this guy down here is also going to be a 45 degrees. And the measure of angle C is going to be 70. Well, if I have 70 and 45, that means that this side here, by my triangle sum, has to equal 65. So now it says, will this change your answer? And the answer is yes, but it's asking you how. So how would this change? Well, this is my range to make a triangle. But now that I have my angle measures, I know what's going to be my small, my medium, and my large. So my x plus 5 is across from my 65, which is my medium angle, which means my side BC is my medium length. So I know it's going to have to be bigger than 26, but smaller than 34, right? Because 70 is my biggest angle, so 34 has to be my biggest side. 45 is my smallest angle, so 26 has to be my smallest side. So now I'm going to get 26 is less than x plus 5 less than 34. Again, this is because x plus 5 is across from 65 degrees, which is my medium angle, so this is my medium side. Has to be right in the middle. So now when I solve this, I'm going to subtract 5 from all three parts, and I get 21 is less than x less than 29. Okay, so now I just want to know, just double check that this is my actual range if I have to put him into my 3 less than x less than 55. Which one satisfies both of them? Again, this is to make a triangle, but this is when I have the angle measures, knowing my small, medium, and large sides here. So I know that 3 is less than x less than 55. Well, that means that I could pick 5 because 5 is greater than 3 and less than 55, but 5 wouldn't work for this guy over here. And again, if we want to use our number line, so I'm going to have 3, 21, 29, and 55. So I'm going to get between 3 and 55. I'm going to get between 21 and 29. So where are they both satisfied? That would be right here. So how is it changed? It's asking for your new inequality. It's going to be between 21 is less than x less than 29.